Area Teresa Luton. I do wake up off bench in Pidgin after match talk about how you see him. I beg if you know so you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Manchester United 2 and Barcelona 1. And we get my Oga Yero will make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Yero, you know, say when we interview you before this game, ask you how you see this match. You talk one thing, say Manchester United home, Old Trafford. Say na fortress. Say it's not easy to break am. And today, Barcelona come. They don't see as it be. They try to break am, but they're not fit. But tell us how you see Manchester United performance based on what you don't talk before and what you see today.
Manchester United performance now. If you dey watch those American film, multi those vampire film, newly convert vampire, e dey hungry for blood. And they say when you dey find blood, you know they give her, you know they give her mouth, you know they collect, you know they collect all year. So Manchester United now, they be newly convert vampire. Anybody they catch, they go drain their blood from there. And nobody now, right now be our mates, but we still got to take caution because the players are now so we dey short of player. We not play. Chelsea will spend billions to score one goal. Maybe they will continue. They spend the billion to score more goals if their money go reach. But we got to take caution. We need to equip our bench because if you look,
but transfer window not there. How you want to do that one?
No, that made me like the boys there right now. Most especially Bruno and Casemiro. You know they win their first, make them reach ground before they holler. So right now they use brain, and are they happy? Say yes. They use brain. But when it comes to performance, to me, it doesn't matter rate my performance now. My you 20 over 100. We need more. We need to go back to
wait, so what do you talk? This kind of performance, so you see
Yes, so,
20 over 100.
Yes,
Let me say, you want maybe people because now we they talk say anything we want to play Man U now, make the person hold his heart for hand because this form where this voltage where man you get now high tension. So to you, this voltage where we dey see so now 20%.
Now 20%. You know that voltage when Bayern Munich they beat back at 8-2. I don't want you to look up to. Right now, we'll never pick form. And even though they scored that 8-2, they expect more.
This man, you know good though. You want make teams here win.
The why I say they like this stuff, if I would sleep inside mosquito this night, it not go pay me because my you do the unbelievable today. They all the backer fans they underrate my most especially when Lewandowski go score goal. They feel say it don't finish.
They celebrate where you do.
I be they shake me now. It come like say we not know what to do. Do not know the coach. They like to give go ahead. If they give you go ahead, may not be like say they're causing a shit. The way they say beat Liverpool that day. So when I say Madrid na shit, Rashford and I see another player he play and wish. You know the same for the game of better go they come. But I thank God say today he tried best. But he thank God say we still win the match. So right now, Man U on a ruthless form. What we see they expect more from.
So, but you don't talk say this performance sweet you for body. You understand? You like what you see. Who be your own man of the match today?
Man of the match today, no other person that will score the winning goal.
Antony.
With the way he say come, even myself with the kind of play when the place is, I got the verse for him. Even when he enter the game, self, he got to do some kind of unnecessary skills. When we don't need, when they find winning, they do skills. But we thank God with his skills too. He see deliver goal for us. So now be man of the match for today.
So Man U will play Newcastle on Sunday for the Carabao Cup final. You don't laugh. Let's say get what you want to talk. Now how you they see that one, Ogayero?
But you be like say you dey tell me say I get boxing match against 6 years pikin. How you yourself, how you go predict that kind of match? Because to me, they will give my 1.27. I go verse 1.22 big. Now 1.01, which is the smallest odd, and they will give my again Newcastle because Newcastle not be our mates. The form where they not be because of us. Even the time when we not dey form, they not fit beat us. Not be now when like say we dey 20% form. They walk out and say trade towards anything. So that match, they walk over for us. Because one of my brothers talking, he said, man, you know if you win back, go win Cali Cup final. The first half I agree with him. But I reason what Ferguson do 1999. He win Champions League. He win FA Cup. He win the league. Let me talk first. I say, bros, this world na lie you dey lie. Why you go win the match? Why you go still go beat Newcastle for Cali Cup final? So and truly, why you don't win this or come out? So now the next one we dey look up to, we dey prepare the way for them, make them come.
So Oga Yero, what do you get to tell all the other rival fans, Man U fans, Arsenal fans, Chelsea fans, Liverpool fans, when they be like say that they doubt Manchester United? What do you get to tell them?
Actually, Sha, Arsenal fans, Man City fans, I get small word to tell them based on na the top Man U, make them not lose guard. But
But that's just the word where you get to tell them plenty past what you get
Yes,
to tell Man U, Man City and Arsenal.
Now, why I talk like that, be say we don't play them home and away. We collect 3 points, they collect 3 points.
So,
We not dey jam them again. So, but the word when I get for mostly Chelsea, we are coming for them. May they wait for us.
May they ready?
Yes, sir.
May they tie their wrapper well.
Not wrapper set too much, wrapper too small. May they take string wire, take tie their belt where they go use plier, take permanent on because what do you want to do? They say, ESN not go lie 1 year this score.
Because the people now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.